Well, you know when your hair is long enough to get in a ponytail, you know it's about time for a haircut. Oh my gosh. Anyways, my name's Brandon, aka the Workman's Pomp, and today I'm going to be talking about some products that I've been using for a hot minute by one of my favorite brands, and that is the Gamma series by Pompking. This is Gamma Red and Gamma Green. Now what makes these unique is that they are different scented, slightly similar products that you can get a medium on like a true medium to firmish hold depending on how much you use, to a upper medium to true firm hold depending on how much you use. Now these are both in the Gamma series by Pompking, and they have different scents, but they both have similar ingredients and both act pretty similar when putting them to your hair. I'm going to do the Cherry Cola Gamma Red today, but I'll also talk about the green. So first and foremost, let's talk about the art. I love the art on these tins. Like I said about Pompking, they're very stylish and very simple in their ingredients and the way that they do their pomades, but I like them a lot because of that. You're not getting a lot of flash, you're just getting good, reliable products, and which I think usually some interesting art from their stuff. This is really cool. I like it. Really nice. Really cool character. And on the back, it has their motto, the ingredients, how to use it. And the artwork is done by Nuligan, which is done on both of these. And then here's the Gamma Green, both really cool in the black tins, which are sharp. The ingredients on the red are beeswax, lanolin, coconut oil, petroleum, scent, and color. The ingredients on the green are beeswax, lanolin, coconut oil, petroleum, here's the difference, tea tree oil, scent, and color. The scent on the red is like a nice cherry cola. You get more cherry, like a grenadine scent at the top, and then a cola after. It's really nice. And then the Gamma Green is kind of like a lime, semi-patchouli-ish, but it's more of like a lime scent to me. I like it. They're both really nice scents and really cool. Scoopability on this stuff. You can see you got to work your finger in there. This is a waxier oil base. And the breakdown on this is really simple. You know what? I'm going to go a little crazy. I'm going to put them both in my hair today, actually. You got to warm up your hands for this because it's an oil based, like I said. But the application is really nice. Really smooth and not too hard on the hair, depending on how big your scoop is. I put a bigger scoop, but it's definitely not hard. On this stuff, you don't need a lot either, being an oil-based, a heavier beeswax oil-based. But the way that it is, it breaks down really easy, and it's nice and slick for an oil-based. It only starts to firm up when it's in your hair. Now I'm going to show you the green. This is kind of on the fly. I was just going to do red, but we'll do it. Scoopability on the green. Little bit firmer, I noticed. But definitely not bad. Breakdown, the same. But on this stuff, you'll notice you got to go a little bit longer. Just a little bit. Like I said, I noticed that the green is just a step up. Little bit, not much. But just a step up. This stuff applies the same. Although I noticed that with the green, this is just me personally, I noticed that the green, it sets a little bit quicker. I don't know if it has more beeswax or what, but it sets just a tad faster than the red. So you're going to feel it when you're combing through your hair. Not bad, but you'll definitely feel it. For this stuff, because it is waxier, I'm going to hit it back with the Afro pick first to loosen it up a little bit. Like I said, for a medium, I feel like this shoots off at a true medium depending on how much you put. I definitely put enough in here to get a firm hold. And like I said, when I'm talking about these products, I'm talking about them both unless I otherwise clarify. Because like to me, personally, I feel like they're very similar. Like I said, if I'm doing a heavy endurance day, I will use the green. And if I'm doing a just like a lighter day, I'll use the red. And it depends on what mood I'm in, because like I said, they can layer into being very similar. Combing back, slicking back, there will be not pull, but definitely some tension. This is, like I said, a waxier oil based, but once you get it in, it's actually quite nice. You'll see it's going through my hair, gliding, the comb's gliding through really easy. Little bit of tension, but with a very simple ingredient product like this, a simple oil base, you'll be kind of used to something like this. You know, Pompking really reminds me of a lot of the classic stuff, in that it has, like I said before, it has good hold, good reliability, but it's definitely kind of like old school, and that sometimes, you know, it's a little bit heavier in the hair. This stuff is no exception. It does sit like a heavier oil based in the hair, but that's one of the qualities I like about it. It has good buildup, and you can see just popping this stuff up, I got some decent height right off the bat. Barely popping it up with the Afro pick. That's one thing about old school pomades that I've noticed, the waxier type, is that you can get some serious height in this. And since my hair is really long right now, you know, you saw how long it was at the beginning of this video, I wouldn't really trust a product to do a full pompadour like this, to like just any product. My hair would start falling out because it's getting so freaking long. But with this stuff, I can style it. It looks good. I mean, especially for like a full style pompadour, there's some good shine to this. The comb lines will stay. And it looks freaking sharp. I like it, at least. I mean, I guess I'm talking my own hair up right now, but I'm talking up this product. I think it looks stinking good. And I definitely, if I'm rocking something that I want to do like a full day's work, I'll put this stuff in. Endurance is on the upper side of a medium to firm. I noticed that I can really go almost the whole entire day with this stuff in my hair without having to restyle. This is on the waxier side, and being a waxier product, most waxy products, the sides want to fray out, but I noticed with this stuff, it sticks pretty well. It'll keep your hair slicked down. Now, because of this, you'll definitely feel like you got something in your hair. If you're one of those people that when you put an oil based in your hair, you don't want to feel it, you're not going to like this. It doesn't feel super heavy, but there's some weight to this in your hair. I like it because it feels classic, and I definitely feel like my hair's not going anywhere. The buildup on this, you're going to need 1.5 to 2 washes depending on what type of shampoo you use. But you're going to get excellent hold, and you're going to get excellent stylability, and you're going to get some really good endurance out of this stuff. The scents aren't aggressive, and mixed together they actually smell really nice. I need to make a green-red combo from here on out, a cherry cola lime. But anyway, so what are my thoughts on these products, the Gamma Red and Gamma Green? Well, I think they're both really good. I can definitely give them the same score because they react the same to me. Like I said, if the reason I like these, if you're looking for different scents, you're gonna get kind of a similar like a similar hold from each one of these. But I will say, if you're looking for something with just a step up hold that you can layer into like almost a heavy, go with this stuff. If you're looking for like a true medium that can layer up to a firm, go with this stuff. You can't go wrong with both of them. I would honestly say get them both. They both feel really good in the hair. They're both on the heavier side. They're not greasy, but they're gonna leave a good amount of shine to your hair while holding it in place real good and holding a style for the majority of the day. So for a medium to firm to a upper medium to firm pomade, I think they're both really good. I would give both of these a 4.4 out of 5. These are great pomades. If you're into old school simplistic products that just give you really good styles with a classic look and feel, I could recommend these to you hands down. So if I didn't answer any of the questions that you wanted to hear, put them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them as quick as I can. And if you've tried these, let me know what you think, and have a good one.